culture?
Okay, so let me introduce myself here now. My name is Joyce Chewendo Okonkwo. I studied English education in my degree, and then in my master's I did curriculum theory. So when I came out of the university after my first degree, I just looked at it. I said, why would I be teaching somebody else's language? When my own father's language, my mother tongue, has been predicted to be going extinct over time. So I decided to look into teaching Igbo language and then further went into studying the curriculum so that I'll be able to plan the curriculum. Being a language expert here, because I did English language, I'll be able to plan the curriculum that can carry my own Igbo language, along. So I started in 2017. So you said
your background in English played a role in that?
Yes, very, very well. Because when you want to teach Igbo language, there's a whole lot of translation and transliteration to do. So I started in 2017. Teaching the Igbo language. We had a place where we used to go to until the COVID broke out in 2020. And then I said, okay, if they say we should go inside the house, then I'm not going to stop. Nothing is going to stop me. So I went into doing the online thing. I started with Zoom. And it was a breakthrough for us, though. We're now able to reach children beyond the borders of Nigeria.
Interesting.
Yes, so we now have students from all over the world. We have students in Canada, we have in South Africa, we have in USA, we have in UK, name it. We have
Let me ask something. Is it easier